going to use a brake part cleaner and just put on a towel, small cloth, and try to wipe down the part of the manifold block, I guess, engine block, what do you call it?
Yep, engine block.
Engine block, that's it. Because your gasket, the new gasket can be go on this thing, so I want to make sure it's nice and clean. Don't want any leakage. And that's it, real good. Looking pretty clean to me.
Oh, he's on the old gasket to take it out and put it in place with a new one. Do a quick wipe. Action.
Oh, come to new. Go. Step right in. Pointy thing here, it goes in that gap. Okay. Yeah, right there. Good. Guys, here the gasket, the new gasket is on. Line up the screws, and there's 2 screws here, and you put it back in from the top to the bottom. Before you even put the manifold back on, align with the hole and the screws and everything, and we recommend you to make sure you put the rear hose back in, which is connected to the manifold. It's a rear, and it's go right under the bracket. So make sure you put the hose back in first before you put the bracket in on and the align the hole to the screws. Okay, and that's where the hose right here. Make sure you put it in. All right, guys. This way we put it back now. The manifold, line up, the bolt in, and what you want to do next is put the hose back here, one in the back, and this hose. 1 hose, 2 hose, 3 hose, and 4 hose back in place, and also there's a 2 bolt to the bracket, the manifold to the bracket, which hold the bracket in place. They are not bracket in place, manifold in place. So 1 hose, 2 hose, 3 hose, 4 hose, and 2 bolt. All right, on the right side, make sure you put the Y harness back. This one here. There's one here to the throttle body, and also the bolt to put the filter back with the bracket right here, and also this bolt. There's 2 bolts right here. All right, guys. Our last step here is you gotta put the intake back in, intake hose, I guess, which is have a clamp here, clamp on the right, and clamp on the left, and what I'm doing right now, and also the 2 bolts on the front of you as well. Align the bolt, put in hose back in, and you should be good to go. Align it first, and alright, 2 screws, line it up. Do by your hand first. 1 there. 1 there. 10mm socket. put this hose back in right here. So wiggle it. Here. And perfect. Tighten the clamp back in for the intake hose. And here. Said make sure it's tightened up, but you don't want to strip it either. And one this one here. We're good. I'm sure there's for the bracket in the back of the manifold, there's 2 screws for it. So let's see what we're doing. Well, okay, you do it earlier too, you want, but there's 1 screw there. Going in. Go. It's tight. It. And there's 2 clips here, one right here and one's over here. So just snap it back on. One done. And that's it. We're good. Everything's in place. And we're good to go for that one. So that concludes our 2005 Nissan Xterra spark plugs and coil replacement. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, 2 thumbs up, and go Patriots! Woo! Let's go!